Hey guys, this is Johnny with Speedhut, and today we're going to show you how easy it is to install our SST-MAX Shift Light. First, you're going to want to locate your OBD2 port. On this particular vehicle, it's directly underneath the steering column. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Next, find a mounting place that's visible from the driver's point of view. Next, remove the shift light from the mount and get ready to calibrate it. Turn your key on and select how many speeds your transmission has. Next, you have to calibrate each gear to the shift light. And that's how you install the SST-MAX Shift Light.